Setting up your herb hydroponic kit. Introduction to hydroponic herb gardening. Welcome to the world of hydroponic herb gardening. Explore the journey of setting up a hydroponic herb garden at home. Suitable for both seasoned gardeners and beginners. Overview of benefits, system selection, herb choice, setup, and maintenance. Understanding hydroponic gardening. Hydroponics, growing plants without soil using nutrient-rich water solutions. Inert medium supports plants, perlite, rock wool, clay pellets, peat moss. Ideal for indoor gardening, efficient growth control. Widely used in small home setups and large commercial operations. Benefits of hydroponic herb gardens. Precise nutrient delivery leads to rapid and healthy growth. Requires less space, perfect for indoor settings. Controlled environment reduces risks of pests and diseases. No need for harmful pesticides. Choosing the right hydroponic system. Selecting the most suitable system is crucial for success. Deep water culture, DWC. Roots suspended in nutrient solution. Simple setup, continuous access to oxygen and nutrients. Ideal for beginners. Nutrient film technique, NFT. Continuous nutrient flow over plant roots. Efficient water usage, constant nutrient access. Ebb and flow, flood and drain. Nutrient solution, floods roots at intervals. Flexible nutrient delivery, suitable for various plants. Factors to consider in system selection. Space availability. Maintenance requirements. Specific needs of chosen herbs. Choose a system that ensures optimal growth and health. Best herbs for hydroponic growth. Selecting suitable herbs is key for a thriving garden. Basil. Flavor, sweet and slightly peppery. Optimal pH, 5.5 to 6.5. Growth, fast growing, needs ample light and warmth. Mint. Flavor, refreshing, cooling. Optimal pH, 6.0 to 7.0. Growth, vigorous, prefers shade and moderate light. Parsley. Flavor, fresh, earthy. Optimal pH, 6.0 to 7.0. Growth, slow to germinate, needs consistent moisture and indirect light. Cilantro. Flavor, citrusy, vibrant aroma. Optimal pH, 6.0 to 6.5. Growth, quick to bolt, benefits from cooler temperatures. Additional herbs, oregano, thyme, and rosemary are also excellent choices. Setting up your hydroponic kit, step-by-step guide. Comprehensive guide to assembling and configuring your kit. Step 1, choose the right hydroponic system. Step 2, prepare the growing medium. Step 3, install the lighting system. Step 4, set up the nutrient delivery system. Step 5, position your herbs for optimal growth. By following these steps, establish a thriving herb garden at home. Maintaining your hydroponic herb garden. Proper maintenance is key to sustained growth and vitality. Nutrient monitoring. Regularly check and adjust nutrient levels. Lighting adjustment. Optimize lighting schedules to meet herb needs. Issue prevention. Watch for signs of nutrient imbalances, pests, or diseases. Consistent care ensures a bountiful harvest of fresh herbs. Conclusion. Hydroponic herb gardening is a rewarding and sustainable practice. Offers an abundance of fresh, high-quality herbs year-round. Encourages creativity and learning in your gardening journey. Embrace the joy of growing herbs at home with hydroponics. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed this presentation on hydroponic herb gardening. Happy gardening and enjoy your fresh herbs.